In this video, I collected instructions for 4 types of double increases made from double yarn-overs between existing stitches. 2 are well known and widely used, and 2 less known. The less known symmetrical increase will be investigated in full details. Double yarn-over increases are worked in 2 stages. In the first row we make double yarn-over, and the next row we worked double increase. It is very easy to make double yarn-over or yarn-over twice. To make double yarn-over, wind twice the yarn around right needle, moving it anti-clockwise. Then work next stitches. And where we need to make another double yarn-over, again wind twice. And again twice yarn-over in English style. In the next row, we work double yarn-overs in 4 different ways. Number 1 is knit 1, purl 1. Here we need first yarn-over and slip it off the left needle. Now purl the second yarn-over. It results in a big hole because the yarn-overs were worked as open stitches. To reduce the size of the hole, sometimes number 2 is recommended. Here, first yarn-over is worked again open, knit 1. The second yarn-over worked twisted through the back loop. We knitted through the back loop. Therefore, here the hole is slightly smaller. For number 3, we will work both yarn-overs twisted. It is not so easy to insert needle through the back loop. Here it is a trick. Insert through the front loop and roll the right needle around left needle to be in the right position. Now work the first yarn-over as knit 1 through the back loop. Repeat the same with the second yarn-over. Both yarn-overs twisted to the left, and the hole is reduced. Number 4. To create a symmetrical increase, we work yarn-overs twisted in opposite directions. Knit the first yarn-over through the back loop to receive left twisted stitch. To work second yarn-over, drop it off and pick up again, but from the back. From now, work it as usual through the front loop as knit 1. And this way we received twisted to the right. Let's look at all 4 types after few rows. The first one is knit 1, purl 1. The second, knit 1 through the back loop. As you can see, those increases are not symmetrical. Next double increases are less known twisted increases, both twisted to the left, and here one twisted to the left, second twisted to the right. I worked out this symmetrical double increase by chance. 8 years ago, I was knitting the lovely monkey socks by Cookie A. After a few pattern repeats, I decided to change the asymmetrical double increase in the center of the repeat. It looks really odd, while all other increases and decreases were very beautiful and logical. So, after few trials, I found a perfect solution to work double increase. Instead of recommended knit one through the back loop, I worked first modification by knitting both yarn overs left twisted. Still not symmetrical. My second modification was knit first yarn over left twisted and the second yarn over right twisted. The two yarn overs twisted in different directions. The result is really perfect. I left this sock with all those modifications as it is. But of course, the second sock I made from the beginning with only symmetrical double increases. I was looking for this symmetrical double increase everywhere. I found it in one book and in few blogs. Details below. Double increases have their mirrored variations. Number 1, knit 1, purl 1, and purl 1, knit 1. This type of increase is often used to create ladders. The second increase, knit 1 and knit 1 through the back loop, has a pair knit through the back loop, knit 1. This increases on the other side. For number 3, where two yarn overs twisted to the left, the pair variation will be twisted to the right. For the fourth type of increase, where yarn overs twisted left and right, the paired variation will be twisted right and left. It results with a horizontal blip or bar, which can be used for decorative purposes. In the second part of the video, I will show how to work this symmetrical increase and its paired variation with two different methods. This symmetrical increase can be done from backwards loop or double yarn over. How to make backwards loop? Make right twisted loop on your thumb. Here you can see that the working yarn slanting to the right. Now make left twisted backwards loop around your index finger. Another method used double yarn over as before. Simply wind the yarn twice around the needle anti-clockwise. In the next row, we will work the same symmetrical double increase twice, using two different methods. The first method, from double yarn over, was already shown at the beginning of the video. I will show it again. Knit the first yarn over through the back loop, drop the second yarn over and pick it up again from the back. Now knit second yarn over through the front loop. The second method from the backwards loops is very easy because the loops are already twisted in right directions. Knit the first loop through the front, and knit the second loop through the back. Both methods produced the same symmetrical double increase. To work reverse symmetrical double increase, in preparatory row we make backwards loops in an opposite order. First, make left twisted loop around index finger, and then make right twisted loop around your thumb. For double yarn over method, we are making reverse double yarn overs by winding yarn clockwise. For first method, in the next row, we are working first yarn over through the front loop, then drop the second yarn over, pick it up from front to back, and now work second yarn over through the back loop. As before, the second method, backwards loop method, is very easy because the stitches are already twisted. Knit first stitch through the back and knit second through the front. Let's look at our symmetrical increases after few rows. Two new stitches are positioned symmetrically over the hole between stitches. In this video, you learned how to do these symmetrical double increases using two methods: double yarn overs method and backwards loop method. In the next video, I will demonstrate the third method, quick and easy, based on twin crease technique. I called it twin over method.